probably going to work this summer so I can save up money for a car. And if not, I will go to Florida so I can intern to be an athletic trainer for sports medicine.
This summer I plan on working, taking care of myself, working on self-care.
Like over the summer, I'm gonna play tennis, go out with my friends. There's a lot of clubs and bars I like to go to, especially because the drinking age is 18 there. So we tend to enjoy ourselves a bit more from younger there.
Try to work hard, get your grades up in school, especially for the athletes. It's very busy, so just trying to stay on top of all the work and everything.
Make sure you develop a schedule that works for you and you think that you're going to give your 100% to every single class that you take, because that's very important.
I give to incoming freshmen, I'd say meet a lot of people, because the more people you know, the more opportunities you get, and just generally just having more friends, everything is better, especially because the town's really small, so you got to get to know as many people as you can.
Do your homework and then have fun. From my experience, do not have fun and then do your homework, because and then at the end of the day you're gonna be like, I am too tired, I'll just put it off until tomorrow, and then tomorrow comes and it's due. Don't not do that.